How to connect Elgato game Capture Neo. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to set up the Elgato game Capture Neo quickly and easily, so you can start recording or streaming your gameplay like a pro. Let's get started. Step 1. What you need. First, let's go over what you need. You will need the Elgato game Capture Neo, two HDMI cables, a USB cable, your gaming console, your PC or Mac, and a monitor or TV. Step 2. Connect the console to the Neo. Take the first HDMI cable and plug into your console's HDMI out port. Then, plug the other end into the HDMI in port on the Neo. Step 3. Connect the Neo to your display. Next, grab the second HDMI cable. Connect one end to the HDMI out port on the Neo and the other end to a monitor or TV. This gives you real-time pass-through play without delay. Step 4. Connect the Neo to your PC. Now, use the USB cable to connect the Neo's USB-C port to your computer. This sends the gameplay feed directly to your PC for streaming or recording. Step 5. Install and launch the software. Download and open Elgato's 4K Capture Utility or OBS Studio. Once installed, select the Elgato as your video input source and you should see your gameplay on the screen. Step 6. Disable HDCP for PlayStation users. If you're using PlayStation, don't forget to disable HDCP in the system settings, otherwise the capture might be blocked. And that's it. That was the complete setup tutorial for the Elgato Game Capture Neo. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.